Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this cute hairstyle for toddlers. It is so cute. I hope you like it. It is easy and fast. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Joanna. I do a lot of hair videos. I also do vlogs, and I recently started to do pregnancy updates. I'm 13 weeks pregnant, so I hope you stick around. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and let's get into the video. These are all the products that I'm going to be using during this video. All of them are linked in my description box. So I'm going to start by spraying water, then I'm going to spray a little bit of detangler, then I'm just going to brush her hair. Then I'm going to part her hair on that side. Then I'm going to part her hair again on the back, and I'm basically trying to create a little rectangle. Then again, I'm going to part her hair on the other side just to finish that little rectangle. Once I'm done creating the rectangle, I'm going to put it into a hair clip just to keep it apart. Then I'm going to put the rest of the hair into a hair tie just to keep it out of my way. Now I'm going to take the hair out of the hair clip, and I'm going to apply a little bit of this Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. Then I'm going to brush that little section of hair, and then I'm going to tie it with a rubber band. I'm going to divide that little section of hair into two pieces, then I'm going to do a simple braid on each side. Once I'm done with those little braids, I'm going to move to the back of her head. Then I'm going to take the hair out of the hair tie, and I'm going to part her hair from the middle just a little bit. Then I'm going to brush each side. Then I'm going to part her hair again like that, and the rest of the hair I'm going to put it into a hair clip just to keep it out of my way. Now I'm going to take that little piece of hair, and I'm going to apply a little bit of this gel. Then I'm going to brush until it's smooth everywhere, and I'm going to add the little braid. Then I'm going to tie everything together with a rubber band. Then I'm going to take out the little elastic that I was using to secure the braid. Then I'm going to move to the other side. I'm going to take the hair out of the hair clip, and I'm going to do exactly the same. So I'm going to part her hair again like that, and the rest of the hair I'm going to put it back into the hair clip just to keep it out of my way. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of this gel. Next, I'm going to brush everywhere, and then once I have it how I want it, I'm going to add the little braid to that hair, and I'm going to tie everything together with a rubber band. And again, I'm going to take out the little braid elastic. For bows, I have these super cute ones. They are from Amazon. They are super inexpensive, and they come in a ton of colors. This is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and see you next time for another hair video. Bye guys!